Is it time to buy or sell BlackBerry Limited stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BlackBerry Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of February, 2025, our system has ranked BlackBerry Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a decline of 5.73%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.34% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which could represent an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $4.33 is breached, it will initially signal a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend forecasts a possible change of 14.69% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 11.89% and 65.58%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 47.14%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 1.55% to an increase of 107.56% over the next year. In present terms, this would suggest a future price between $4.37 and $9.22. Our latest daily update for BlackBerry Limited includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for BlackBerry Limited. The stock price for BlackBerry Limited increased by 2.54% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025. It rose from $4.33 to $4.44. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.85%, with a low of $4.39 and a high of $4.52. Although the price has declined in 5 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 5.97% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume fell by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $45.74 million. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may signal divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $6.24 and a lowest price of $2.01. Currently, the price is 28.85%, or $1.80, below the 52-week high, and 84.57%, or $24.33, below the all-time high recorded on the 27th of January, 2021, when it peaked at $28.77. BlackBerry is making significant strides in the embedded systems sector through its QNX unit, which has recently expanded its partnership with Advantech. This collaboration aims to deliver innovative solutions for critical applications across various sectors, such as medtech, robotics, and industrial automation. The companies plan to offer pre-integrated solutions that streamline development processes, giving a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. In addition, QNX is enhancing its engagement with the developer community by launching free online training courses. This initiative is likely to boost developer proficiency in utilizing QNX technologies, which could drive broader adoption and strengthen BlackBerry's position in the embedded systems space. Moreover, recent announcements of a new functional safety platform, developed in conjunction with Intel and Nextcobot, emphasize BlackBerry's commitment to advancing safety and efficiency in robotic systems. This platform is expected to reduce risks and operational costs for manufacturers, further solidifying the appeal of BlackBerry's offerings. Regarding the stock price, these announcements could positively impact BB in the short term by attracting investor interest ahead of the upcoming fourth quarter fiscal results on the 2nd of April, 2025. The long-term outlook appears promising, with BlackBerry's sustained focus on innovations in the Internet of Things and embedded systems, although challenges remain due to competition in the automotive space. With these strategic initiatives, BlackBerry seems well-positioned for growth, which may enhance investor confidence and support its stock performance going forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned BB a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that TD Securities assigned BB a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that TD Securities assigned BB a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned BB an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned BB a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BlackBerry Limited stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, alongside the price-to-book ratio. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BlackBerry Limited. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence its near-term development. Currently, BlackBerry Limited stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $4.45 and $4.88. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 26.85%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 81 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 77 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for BlackBerry Limited. BlackBerry Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $4.41. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 125 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which equates to a change of 2.85%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BlackBerry Limited, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and pose potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 2nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 2 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BlackBerry Limited. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for BlackBerry Limited is at $4.71. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, BlackBerry Limited faces its first support level at $4.41. If this support level remains intact, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for BlackBerry Limited from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Lisa S. Disbrow conducted an insider purchase of 10,814 shares of deferred share units. On the same day, Philip G. Brace executed an insider purchase of 10,631 shares of deferred share units. Also on the 28th of February, Richard J. Lynch made an insider purchase of 12,647 shares of deferred share units. On that day, Lori O'Neill conducted an insider purchase of 9,897 shares of deferred share units. Additionally, on the same day, Lisa Bahash made an insider purchase of 9,898 shares of deferred share units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 11.140. In total, insiders acquired 1,463,303 shares, while selling 1,108,796 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set in place. Is BlackBerry Limited stock a good buy? The stock of BlackBerry Limited presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that BlackBerry Limited will show weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of March, we expect BlackBerry Limited to open higher by approximately 1 cent and begin trading at $4.45. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.